Ever wondered if AI could truly grasp the essence of human personality, beyond surface-level cues like a smile or tone of voice? A revolutionary study is now using artificial intelligence to simulate the internal thought processes that shape individuality. Let's dive into how this tech is redefining personality analysis. Traditional AI systems rely on external signals, facial expressions, speech patterns, or even typing rhythms to infer traits. It's like judging a book by its cover. You might get a hint of the story, but you're missing the plot. These methods often fail because behavior isn't a direct window into the mind. Think of it as a movie trailer, exciting but not the full narrative. This new approach flips the script. Instead of observing actions, researchers are building AI that models how people think. They call this personalized internal cognition, the unique rules each brain uses to process the world. The goal? Decode personality by understanding the cognitive architecture behind behavior, not just the behavior itself. Here's the core innovation: a transformer-based AI, a model designed to process information in hierarchical layers, much like the human brain. This system is trained on video and audio stimuli, learning to mimic not just surface reactions, like a smile, but the underlying cognitive patterns that generate them. It's like creating a cognitive fingerprint for each individual, capturing how their mind interprets and responds to the world. Once the AI simulates these internal processes, it converts them into a 2D graph, a mathematical representation of how different cognitive modules interact. Think of it as a neural map of thought. A specialized neural network, the 2D graph neural network, 2D-GNN, then analyzes this graph to predict personality traits. It's decoding the blueprint of someone's mental workflow, revealing patterns invisible to traditional methods. This method is a paradigm shift. Unlike older systems requiring hours of data, it works with just short video clips. Imagine a model that's 2,000 times faster than conventional approaches, achieving higher accuracy with minimal input. No lengthy surveys, no human observers, just a few seconds of video to map someone's cognitive profile. The implications are vast. In mental health, this could detect subtle shifts in cognition, like early signs of depression or anxiety, by analyzing how a person processes emotional content. In education, personalized learning systems could adapt to a student's unique thinking style, optimizing content delivery in real time. It's not just about recognizing faces, it's about understanding the mind behind the behavior. The future of AI isn't just about what people do, it's about how they think. This research is paving the way for systems that truly comprehend human complexity. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Hit subscribe, and let's keep exploring the science shaping tomorrow's technology.